Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am going to do this quick video. I was in Hobby Lobby and they have marked clearance all of the dies that they have. Every die in that section has a red sticker on it. The only thing is that it seems to be only like 40% off and not 70%. And it's all the new things. So I've got a video that I am going to attach to this showing, but even in the clearance section on the back wall, they had a lot of dies and most of them only recently came in. So I'm not sure what's going on or what's not going on. A lot of it is Christmas. So if you think about it, go by and check them out. I picked up a few things. So they had the cutting mats, the long one and the regular one for the Sizzix. Clear on, like I said, it looked like 40% off. And I got some of the glitter cutting pads. They were like 5 something. And I think I only got one die. So like I say, go by and check it out. I just wanted to share because I was in there just a few minutes ago. Bye guys. Okay guys, Hobby Lobby has all of the stuff on sale, clearance, but the prices aren't very low yet. So stay tuned.